Now we can exercise our possessive pronouns and the question word whose. I will give you nouns. You already know them. However, I will also give you the gender of those nouns. And I will tell you which sentence to build. How to recognize the gender of the noun? Well, we will learn it in the next lesson. We'll learn lots of new endings. And these endings tell you which gender does this particular noun have. Sometimes they tell. There are also lots of exceptions, but we will see it in the next lesson. Right now, let's work on our possessive pronouns. First word would be stole. Stole. Do you remember what it is? Stole is table, and stole is masculine. Stool. Stool. Also masculine. Окно. Окно is neutral. Карта was map. Карта. Female. Ручка. Ручка. Female. Книга. Книга. Female. And лампа. Лампа. Also female. Can you recognize a pattern? Well, it's difficult to recognize, especially the sample is quite small. However, L is the ending of male nouns. This is one thing for sure. And A, it might be an ending for female. It's usually also is. Well, let's start with our possessive pronouns. And how would we say whose table is this? Чей это стол? Stol is masculine. So for masculine, if we want to ask whose, we need to use чей. Чей. This would be это. Это. And we take stol. Чей это стол? Now we want to answer, this is hers. The stall belongs to this woman. This is hers. Это ее, hers. Ее стол. Now let's work with окно, the only neutral word. Whose window is this? Again, we find neutral, чье. Whose would be чье? Че, мягкий знак, ё, чье. Это окно. Окно. And let's answer, this is your window. And your in the singular form, casual form. So, how would you address to your friend? This is his window. Это твое, because neutral, твое окно. Это твое, твое окно. Окно. This is your window. Now карта, map. How would we ask for female карта, map? Whose map is this? Female is чья. Чья это карта? Чья это карта? Карта. Чья это карта? Now let's answer. This is his map. This is это. Это. His. We got on. His would be его. Это его карта. Карта. Another female. Ручка. A pen. Whose pen is this? Try to ask. You got the pattern here above. Чья? Это ручка. Ручка. This is his pen. No, actually we already got his, so let's exercise. This is my pen. Я, my would be моя. Это моя ручка. Это моя ручка. Ручка. Can you hear how I pronounce моя? With a, моя. And его with его. Это его карта. Это моя ручка. Don't worry if you forget this. Russians will understand you if you pronounce it as моя and его. Книга, another female word. Whose book is this? How would we have, what would be the female whose? Чья. Че, мягкий знак, я. Чья. Это книга. Книга. And let's answer, this is ours. This book is ours. Это. Ours would be, for female, наша. Это наша книга. Наша книга. Книга. Let's work with our stool. Chair. Whose chair is this? Again, we got a male and we got the form, how to create a sentence. However, let's use the table. For male, we would use чей. Чей. Это стул. Это стул. And let's answer, this is your in a polite form or in a plural form. This is your chair. Это. And your in the polite form or in the plural would be, for male, ваш. Это ваш стул. Это ваш стул. And the last one would be лампа. Чья это лампа? Whose lamp is this? Again, female, we use чья. Чья это лампа? Лампа. And let's answer, this is theirs lamp. It belongs to them. There would be их. Это их лампа. Лампа. Это их лампа.